Welcome back. Now, if you're regularly engaging with the people that you're connected to on Facebook, then posting your new video won't be a problem and it will bring people to see what you're doing. Now, if you're not doing that, one of the ways that you can get people interested is to create an event. And if you come to any fan page or any business page that you have, you can go to the event tab and you can click create an event. And basically, you can put in your trailer video and you can announce the release of your newest video. Of course, when the video is ready, you'll also post your link to your channel as well as the new video in your status. But you want to take advantage of the event promotion and then use that event promotion in order to build anticipation with the people that are already connected to you through a Facebook page or a Facebook group. Again, of course, depending on how much this is part of your business, you can then add a button to your page. You can choose the one and you're likely to click Shop with You. And then you can click See Offers. And then this will take them to the Offers section of your page. We'll then click Finish. We'll then come to our page and then we'll click Create Offer. And then we'll tell people about the offer here. They will redeem it online. We will write in our URL and we'll put in our promotional photo. And once we do that, we'll then have published our first offer. Our offer will then be ready, and then when someone comes to our offer or they click the button, they'll be able to see all our offers and we can begin to use this page in order to announce our videos as they are being released. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.